How to fix Instagram ad mention not working. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram and try mentioning. If it still does not work, what you can do is open Play Store and update Instagram app by searching Instagram. If there is any update available, update the app. Sometimes not updating the app might cause some issue. After you've done that, hold on to the Instagram app in your home screen, then click on App Info. After you're in App Info, click on Storage and Cache. Click on Clear Cache. After you've done that, restart your device and try mentioning and it will work. This is how to fix Instagram ad mention not working. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.